Hello class, so I'm going to go over doing the textbook project for Module 6. As my instructions say here, we're going to only do the portion for 6.1. You will stop when you get to 6.2. So we will need to get the start file, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it's going to open this up. So this is my start file here. This is to the e-text if you need to get there, and then at the end you will have, I think, both of these documents that you will have to submit. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and click on this. And see if it downloaded at the bottom down here. There. And because I have two screens, I'm going to have to drag it over. Okay, so here is the start file for 6.1, and I'm going to go ahead and maximize it. At the same time, I'm going to open up the e-text so that I have that, or I could actually use it from the assignment link. Let me go back here, here, and it's going to open up back here, and I'm going to try to put this side by side. Okay, and you can see we can go all the way through here. So I'm going to click on this very first thing here and open up my Word document, and I'm going to put it side by side as well. There we go. Alright. There we go. Okay, and my Word document. Okay. So here we are, and I'm just going to go through here. So first thing we need to do is we're going to make sure our document is open, and we're going to show the non-printing characters, which is this button here. So it puts these little dots here so we can see. It also says maximize to 100 or zoom to 120. And then we're going to review the contents of the letter. Notice that the fourth paragraph includes the insert date field. We're going to delete that, but not the paragraph mark. So I'm just going to click here and see if I can delete this. Here, very, very tedious. There we go. And then press delete. Alright, and then on the ribbon, we're going to click the Insert tab, and then we're going to go to the DateTime button. And if you can't see it, then you'll just need to maximize it so that you can. Alright, and then we're going to click this third one right here and OK. And I'm going to bring it back. Okay, so we've got that done. It just tells us that we're going to click the third format from the top, which is what I just did. Okay. Let's see. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the next steps, and it says click to display the content control. If you close the document and then open it a day later, then it would update automatically. Okay, scroll down to the letters closing, change Amelia Ferreira to your name. Alright, and then that's pretty much it for that part. Alright, now we're going to go back to performing a mail merge here. Now make sure that you read this chapter before you do it, because it's going to make more sense to you when you do that. Okay, this whole chapter is going to take you step by step on how to do this process, and it's not hard. Okay, you just have to follow the process. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the Mailings tab here, And we are going to click the Start Mail Merge button, and we're going to go down to, we should be going to Letters. Okay, right here. Okay, 4, we're going to select Recipients. So let me maximize this and let's see where I'm at here. Start Mail Merge, Letters, and make sure that I don't have it blocked anywhere. Okay, let me go back. So then we are going to click on Select Recipients, and we're going to click Type a New List right here. And this is where we are actually going to build like a database so that we can merge these entries that we put in here with our document. So now we're going to go down and let's see what it wants us to do next. We're creating a data source, so go to the next page. And in the new address dialog box, we're going to click to the left of the first name, and we're going to type, actually we're going to press tab, we're going to type Larry, and then we're going to press tab, and we're going to type Peterson, tab, and we're going to type the address, tab again, address 45, and press Avenue, tab, apartment 7A, and Vanessa, and CA, and 91902, and then we're going to come down to the phone is 858 555 0105. Let's see if I have missed anything. I think I have, but let me just double check. Okay, let me cancel this because actually I think we need to remove some of the items in the data source. So let me go here and do a new list. And we're going to go here. So I'm starting over with the new list. So what we're actually going to do is, you see these fields in here? This is what we're going to have over here. Okay? So if I click New Entry, I'm sorry, Customize Columns. I click Customize Columns, then in here is where I can delete something I don't need, or I can add something I do need. So we're going to go through here and let's see. Alright, so we're going to verify the title is selected right here and click Delete, and yes. Okay. Then continue on and delete the following fields. Company name, delete, yes. Country or region, delete, yes. And work phone, delete, yes. Then we're going to go in and add email address. So click on email address and click add. And then in here, we are going to type consultation type. Consultation type, okay. And then we're going to do the add button again, and we're going to type fitness class. And then we're going to come down here in the email address. We're going to click move up, so it's above the home phone field. And then we're going to go to home phone, and we're going to click rename, and we're just going to not type phone. Okay. And then let's see if there's anything else. Okay, that's pretty much it. Alright, I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to come over here, and now I'm going to add those fields that we just did. So I'm going to press Tab, type Larry. Let's address 1 is 1942. Come on down. Email address here is Peterson. Phone is 858-555. And then consultation is fitness, and the fitness class is yoga. Alright, so that is all those steps right there. It says use a horizontal bar to scroll if you need to, so you can see what we've got in here. Okay, alright, and then we're going to click new entry, and then we're going to come down here and add these 2 people right here, doing the same process that we just did. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the first name is Daniel. And 603. Okay. Why can't I see it all? Okay. Weights. Alright, and then we're going to do the next one. Control C, nutrition and yoga is going to be the live piece. Alright, so we've got that in there. And now we're going to save the data source. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. And this box is going to come up to save it. And we're going to save it as data source 6A. believe.